All right, another episode of Cooking with Chef Boyer G, aka me. We are going to be making some buckwheat pancakes today. I have never made this recipe. I don't even know if it's a recipe. I'm just throwing some ingredients together and seeing if it works. So we're going to use Greek yogurt. We're going to use buckwheat flour. And we'll see. We're going to have to play around with it. I don't know right amounts or whatnot. But got the frying pan heating up. We're going to go a half a cup of buckwheat flour. Might need more, might need less. We'll see. We're going to go a little bit of baking powder to try and make them a little fluffy. Who doesn't like fluffy pancakes? Oh crap, of course it's not open yet. I made it easier to open. I'm going to change the stupid package now. It doesn't have the little. I'll just go by feel there. I don't know, that would probably be good. I'm going to go a little bit of cinnamon. We're going to go some egg whites, just a little bit of protein. I'm going to go 6 tablespoons, see how that is. Might not be enough, we'll see. Try and find my whisk and a mess of dishes. Mix it together a little bit. All right, we're going to add a half a cup of Greek yogurt to start and see if that is enough. Definitely gonna have to add. I'm gonna put some. We're just gonna use water. Could use milk, but add some water in it to make it a little actually battery, so it's not just. I added too much there. I'm going to put, just to add a little bit of flavor, we're going to go raisins. Oops. Got a few raisins in there, add a little bit more cinnamon raisin. And that's tiny bit more water, a little thick, but we'll see how it goes. This pan should be pretty much ready. A little spray, and let's test it out. See if we can make some pancakes. Otherwise, it's just probably gonna be mush. But again, it probably won't be that bad. We'll see. Again, cooking, baking, it's all about experimentation. You can eat well, live well, without all the junk. Alright, so we'll cook them up, see if they turn out halfway decent. If not, we'll still eat them. Well, maybe we won't. We'll see. So we'll let them fry up, and we'll show you the end result. Hey, not a bad flip, that first one. Actually, it looks like a pancake, so we might be on the right track to something. Let's see. We'll finish them up and see if they taste halfway decent. So I added a little bit to it. Taste the batter. It's just kind of not a ton of flavor, just kind of Greek yogurty and floury. So I added some glycine powder, which I usually take before for bed to help sleep. It's a non-essential amino acid, but it tastes like sugar. So it actually tastes good, unlike most crap supplements. It just tastes like blah. So it actually tastes sugar, but it's not sugar. It's an amino acid. So I added that. I added some black maca, and I think we're gonna add some fruit. Probably have a banana or something. Probably some actually raspberries on top, just to add a little bit more flavor, just because it doesn't have a ton of flavor in the pancake, the powder. Added some more baking powder too, so this one's getting a little puffy, which is a fluffy pancake. So that's what we got. So got probably 2 more to make, and then we'll see if they're any good. All right, just finished up. The last one didn't let it cook probably long enough. Got a little crumbled up, but we're gonna eat it anyway. Don't make food for looks. Added some raspberries there. Add some pure maple syrup. Again, none of that sugar-free crap. It's probably faker than my dad's false teeth. So we're just gonna add some real maple syrup, raspberries, and then we're gonna go. Let's see. Take a bite. I think the syrup and raspberries will add a little bit more flavor. Not bad. Edible. Solid, we'll see as we get into them more. Again, probably could add some monk fruit or something. Maybe even some honey or even syrup into the batter, but add a little bit of topping, some syrup. It tastes pretty good. So let's go enjoy our pancakes. So I'll put the ingredients below in the video and try it out if you want.